how to find right English speaking partners. I can understand English, I can write English, I can read English, but I cannot speak English. I am very fluent from here, but from here doesn't come out. This type of problem happens. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. So this is Amir and welcome to my channel. I will tell you how to find right English speaking partners. What we do normally, we connect with in WhatsApp channel, we connect with Telegram, and we start conversation with friend, and what happens, suddenly we stop. Right, suddenly we stop. Because why it happens? When you drop message to your friend will not reply you. When you call them, they will not pick your call. So this type of problem happens, and suddenly what you do, you stop the conversation because there is a problem. You found incorrect partner. That's why I will tell you how to find right partners. See, first of all, you have to understand clarity and why is very important. You have to understand first why you are learning spoken English, what is the motive behind it. Then you can understand, then you can find the right English speaking partners. First of all, you tell me why you are learning spoken English, to crack the job, or to impress your girlfriend, or to talk in office, or you have some project work from home job where you have to talk with client. That's why you're learning spoken English. It's a very important. You should have clarity. This is very important. When you understand, in my time I was, my clarity was that I wanted a job and I wanted to crack the interview. That's why I learned spoken English. What's your clarity? First find out. If your clarity is to get a job, it's a very good. Motive is very important behind anything, and when you know why you are learning spoken English, that means almost it is possible. Almost it is possible. So what you have to do, you have to draft one sentence. In that sentence you have to write, I'm looking for a partners, English speaking partners. And you also have to find what's your level. If your level beginner, then find the partner beginner. Do not find the partner fluent. If you are a beginner and you found a partner who is very fluent in spoken English, they will practice on you. You will not learn. So it's a very important. You have to find the partners who is at level you. Like if you are a beginner, then find the partner beginner who speak little bit better also, good, very good. Intermediate, then find the partner intermediate who speak little bit good. That is very important. And draft one message like, I'm looking for a partners and I'm intermediate, and if you are interested, so let me know. This thing, write and draw, this message deliver everywhere. WhatsApp group, Telegram group, LinkedIn group, whoever is interested, they will connect with you. And after getting message from them, what you have to do, you have to fix that time. It's very important. Because why it is important? My case, when I was practicing spoken English, then I used to practice after dinner, because after dinner we get time, and most of people get sleep also, so we get free time, we don't get disturbed. So this is very good time, dinner. And you have to tell to your friend, we will talk after dinner for 30 minutes or 20 minutes. Make sure that you will practice every day. If you want to take off Sunday, it's okay, but keep practicing Monday to Saturday for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. In that, if you fix this time, after that also fix this is very important. Because normally what happens, in call, you will not speak, your partner will speak, and they will take 30 minutes. What will happen? You will not learn. So it's a very important. You have to maintain that time. 2 minutes you will speak, 2 minutes your friend will speak, 2 minutes third person will speak. And that is one thing also important in that, feedback. Feedback is very important. But keep remember one thing, a lot of people get hurt from feedback. So whenever you are telling bro, this is your mistake, this is your mistake, this is your mistake, and make it mutual understanding. This mistake happened, how we can improve this sentence. So through mutual understanding, improve this. We can speak like this, we can speak like this sentence. So feedback is very, very important. If you do not accept feedback, it is impossible. So keep remember. And another thing, I will also tell you one thing. If you have an ego problem, it is also impossible. So keep your ego under shoe. That is very, very important. So now you understood feedback is important. Time 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, you settle down. And once you start it, once you start it, keep remember, 1% will drop, 2% will drop, no, but you have to be consistent. Practice every day. Practice every day. This is the thing will help you to be a fluent in spoken English. And another thing I like to tell you, if you do all things, definitely you are able to speak good English. And a lot of platform I told, platform is not a problem. The problem is that how you are learning, how you are finding right partner. That partner will help you. I hope if you like this, if you like my video, please subscribe and give the like button. And one thing, I want feedback from you. If I made any mistake, please type in comment box. Definitely I will improve, and see you in next video. Thank you so much.